You are not unlucky in this life. The truth is, many people in this world have been broken at one stage of their lives because of some of their habits. If you are watching this right now, for some reason you have temporarily broken down, or are afraid that you will break down. No matter what, we will get up again. Life is about taking experience from what happened and getting up again. In this video, I want to tell you how to prevent some mistakes in life that you may have made through your own ignorance or otherwise, and prepare yourself for the battle of success in this life again. So, come on, let's change this cycle right now. Number 1, living above your means. Let's start with the obvious. People like to look rich rather than be rich. You sometimes buy things like a new phone, car, or clothes, not because you need them, but because others around you have them. You earn $2,000 a month, but spend $2,500 a month using credit cards or loans. To avoid this situation, track every dollar you spend for 30 days. Separate your needs from your wants. Use the 50-30-20 rule to allocate 50% of your money to things like rent and food, 30% to entertainment, and the remaining 20% to savings or investments. Number 2, relying on debt. Relying on debt is the practice of consistently using borrowed money, such as credit cards or personal loans, to cover your daily expenses, lifestyle, or emergencies, instead of using your actual income or savings. Many credit cards charge 15 to 30% interest, making even small purchases a long-term burden. You fall into a cycle of debt, borrowing more to pay off other debts. So stop using debt to fund your lifestyle. Build an emergency fund to avoid falling back into debt. Cut up the card if necessary, as it defeats the self-discipline that comes with it. Number 3, no financial education. Many schools don't teach personal finance, so people graduate with algebra, but don't know how to do their taxes or manage their budget. They are drawn to get-rich-quick schemes, payday loans, or make poor financial choices because no one taught them better. So start with free and simple resources first. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The link to that book is in the description below to help you get started. Also, listen to podcasts, biographies of people who have changed their lives, and teach what you've learned to others, because sharing deepens learning.
Number 4, no long-term thinking. Many people focus only on immediate comfort, happiness, and temporary survival, without considering the future consequences of the decisions they make today. People who live this way often avoid planning, saving, and investing for the next 5 or 10 years. These people do not build wealth, they only survive. They panic in emergencies because they are unprepared. So set clear long-term goals in areas such as finance, health, career, and lifestyle. Before making big purchases, ask yourself, will this matter in 5 years? Think decades ahead, not just days. Wealth is a long game. Number 5, broke mindset. A broke mindset is a set of limiting beliefs, habits, and attitudes about money that keep people stuck in financial struggle, regardless of how much they earn. It's not just about being poor, it's about thinking poor. For example, money is evil. I'll never be rich, it's not for people like me. Rich people got lucky or cheated the system. These beliefs are a big factor in not investing, not budgeting, avoiding risks, and staying in the same financial position year after year. So always replace "I can't" with "How can I?" and "I'm not smart enough" with "I can learn this." Surround yourself with people who are success-oriented. Finally, I have to tell you, you don't have to be one of the 90%. Start small, be consistent, change your mindset. Yes, you definitely can.